I spent all my money drinking on my own, yeah. In this bar, just sat here staring at my phone. I keep second guessing, where did I go wrong? I know I'm proud, but I've had one too many. Come take me home. Hey everyone, this is Blaze of Blaze Guitar Lessons. Thanks for tuning in. Want to teach you how to play the awesome new Keith Urban song from his album called The Speed of Now, which I haven't listened to the whole thing, but every song I have heard has been pretty awesome, so I really like it a lot. This is called One Too Many. This is him in pink. So if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer them for you, okay? Also, thanks so much for hitting like and subscribe, everyone. I ask you to please hit like if you enjoy the video, and also please hit subscribe and the notification bell so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials in the future, okay? Alright, enough of that, let's get into it. So, the song's pretty easy to play. There's kind of a lot of chords, but it's one of the easier Keith Urban songs for sure. So I'm going to walk you through each section of the song, okay? So you're going to start with E, alright? So just E, and you're going to palm mute, okay? Put that part of your hand as close as you can to right here, right in front of it, okay? Not on it, but right in front of it. And hit the bass note. So it's going to be E. And the strumming pattern is really easy. It's just boom, 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 okay? So it's down, 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 okay? So E, A, B, C sharp minor 7, okay? So you just slide that up from B to C sharp minor. I'm just playing the B as a power chord, all right? I'm not using my middle finger on it. That's how I would recommend playing it. But if you want to, you do that, and then you would just do the power chord version of C sharp minor 7, okay? So it's E, A, B, C sharp minor 7, okay? Minor 7, and then, all right, then we're gonna do E over G sharp, all right? So then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna go from the C sharp minor 7 to, all right, to the same, you're gonna stay on the same frets, but you're just gonna go from the A, D, and G strings to the, move up a set of strings. So you're gonna go to E, A, D strings. A, and B, okay? So it goes E, A, B, C sharp minor 7, E over G sharp, A, B. All right, that's the intro. You play that through once, and then you're good to go. All right, so it's A, B, C sharp minor 7, G, E over G sharp, A, B. All right, you don't have to palm mute it. You can play it. You can just strum it open, and then maybe like softer. But it sounds better, I think, if you do that, because that's what he's doing. All right, so you're gonna do, then you're gonna go, I don't remember much about last night. Okay, so then when you play the verse, you're gonna do E, okay, E, and then E over G sharp. All right, so I don't remember much about is where you're gonna do, you're just gonna do a couple strums on E over G sharp. Remember much about last, okay, last, at the end of last you're gonna do A. Last night, woke up on the couch, okay, then couch is B. Couch, sunrise, okay, then sunrise, so like sunrise, all right, is where you're gonna do C sharp minor 7. Sunrise, saw the living room, okay, then when you go to the living room, you're just gonna go from that C sharp minor 7 to the E over G sharp. Through these blood, okay, blood is where you're gonna do, on bloodshot is where you're gonna do A. Bloodshot eyes of mine, okay, mine is B. Mine cold sober you. All right, so you're doing E, then you go up to, so E, then E over G sharp, and I'm playing the power chord version of that. There is a different way to play it, but I'm just playing the power chord version of it, okay? E over G sharp, A, B, okay, and then you're gonna start over. And then you're gonna go cold sober you, okay, U is where you do E. You didn't like that, okay, didn't like that I came is gonna do E over G sharp. I came home, okay, so home is A. Home late 4 a.m. but it's Friday, babe, okay, but it's Friday is B. B is Friday, babe. Babe is C sharp minor 7. Babe, and I've been working hard. Can you give me some space? All right, so I did that wrong. Sorry. So it's going to be working hard is E over G sharp. Heart, can you give me some space? Instead of shouting out, oh my gosh, okay? So then you go to, from A is on give me some space instead of shouting. Give me some space instead of shouting. Okay, instead of shouting is where you're going to do B. Shouting out, oh my gosh, and you're going to go to E. Oh yeah. Okay, so on E, then for the pre-chorus, you're going to do E. Oh yeah. So on oh yeah. So after yeah, you're going to do E over G sharp. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I know. Okay, so you're going to do E on the whole. Oh yeah, E over G sharp. And you're just doing this real quick. Oh yeah, E over G sharp. Oh, and then you go to A. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah is B. Yeah. And you slide up to C over C sharp minor 7. I go out with some new friend, but it just makes me miss you more. Miss you more. Okay, so on miss is where you're gonna do G sharp, E over G sharp. Miss you more. More is A. More. More. And then more. The second more is B. More. Okay, so then on the chorus, this is where you're gonna do E. I spent all my money, and you're just doing the same down, 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 down. I do a down, up, down real quick when I'm transitioning chords. You don't have to do that, but I think it sounds better. So it's E. I spent all my money. Okay, money is E over G sharp. Money, drinking. So drinking is A. Drinking on my own. Own is B. On, yeah. Then you slide up to, after yeah, you do C sharp minor 7. In this bar just sat. Okay, sat is E over G sharp. Sat here staring. Staring is A. Staring at my phone. Phone is B. Phone. And then you go to E. And I keep second guess. Okay, guessing is E over G sharp. Guessing where's A? Where did I go wrong? Wrong is B. Wrong. I know I'm proud. Okay, then after proud, you're gonna go like you're playing A, but you're doing F sharp minor 7. So you're gonna do A, and then you're gonna put your pointer finger on the E, on the big E string. I know I'm proud. Proud. And then you do F sharp minor 7 on proud. Proud, but I've had one too many. Okay, on many you do E over G sharp. Many come. And then you go back to A on come. Come take me home. Home is B. Home. Then you go back to the palm mute and do the E. Same. So then you do the second verse is going to be the same as the first one, all right? Same with the second. Pre-chorus is the same. The second chorus is the same. Then for the bridge, all right, you're going to do G sharp minor 7, okay? So you're just going to, you're going to actually you're going to do the E over G sharp. So you're just going to do that open strum. You're going to go, all right, you're going to bar it on the 4th and 6th frets, doing that same power chord, just like that. You're going to go, I don't know how lucky I am, no. Okay, so you're going to do just that G, the E over G sharp. You're going to do, I don't know how lucky I am, and then you're going to do that F sharp minor 7 on how lucky I am. I am, no. Okay, then E over G sharp. I guess sometimes I should just give more of a. All right, and then you're gonna on damn. You're gonna do the F sharp minor 7 again. Damn about you. Okay, then on U, you're gonna do that same G, E over G sharp. Okay, you, I don't know how lucky, and you're just gonna repeat that, and then for the last part where you do, I'd rather do it with you, but okay, you're gonna do. You're going to put your pointer finger, okay, on the 2nd fret. This is B suspended 4. You're going to put your pointer finger on the 2nd fret, all right, on the A string, and then you're going to just do like a power chord, all right, on the D and G strings, all right. I'd rather do it with you, but... Okay, so you're just doing B suspended 4 on I'd rather do it with you, on I'd, okay? So... I'd rather do it with you, but... Okay, and I'm muting the top, the E string with my pointer finger when I do that, okay? I'd rather do it with you, but I spent all my money drinking on my own, yeah. Okay, so for the bridge, you're just gonna do G sharp minor 7, and then you're just doing the single strums, then F sharp minor 7, then G sharp minor 7, F sharp minor 7, and then you go back to G sharp minor 7, then F sharp minor 7, then G sharp minor 7, then B suspended 4, and then back to the chorus. Okay, and that's how you play the whole thing. All right, so it's not a super difficult song at all. The strumming pattern's crazy easy. Cold sober you. All right, let me know if you guys have any questions or other requests you'd like to learn. I know I have a few more, so I'm going to get to those as soon as I can. But yeah, thanks for watching. It's been a lot of fun, and I hope to see you guys next time, and I hope that you see me next time.